Have you ever imagined turning used motor oil and liquid wax into something incredibly useful and practical? Something truly unexpected? Well, get ready to be amazed. Today, we're sharing two creative, economical, and highly effective ideas for reusing used motor oil and wax. These projects are easy to implement and use readily available materials. Let's start with regular paraffin wax candles. For this demonstration, we used 6 candles. The first step is to melt the candles completely until you have a smooth, homogeneous liquid. You can use different heat sources, from a conventional stove to makeshift setups using cans or kettles. Wax typically melts between 50 and 70 degrees Celsius. While the wax is still hot and liquid, carefully transfer the contents to a thick glass container, such as laboratory measuring cups or sturdy glass jars designed to withstand high temperatures without cracking. Next, add about 60 milliliters of used motor oil to the liquid wax. Mix the two ingredients thoroughly until completely blended. The warm liquid wax allows the oil to blend quickly, forming a paste. As the mixture cools, its consistency will change from liquid to creamy, then to a solid, ointment-like balm. Set the product aside to cool completely. This revitalizing paste, it is excellent on a wide range of surfaces, including synthetic materials such as automotive plastics, natural and synthetic leather products, and rubber. This formula deeply revitalizes surfaces, restoring the original shine, texture, and appearance of materials that tend to dry out or fade over time. While the wax and oil mixture cools, let's explore our second innovative idea. Take a large D-type battery and carefully remove its outer casing. Inside, you'll find a dark powder, manganese dioxide mixed with activated carbon and other electrochemical compounds. This powder, when mixed with oil, significantly improves its properties. In a heat and chemical-resistant glass or metal container, pour about 80 milliliters of used lubricating oil. Gradually add the fine powder extracted from the battery, spreading it out slowly to facilitate mixing. Use a solid object, such as a wooden stick, to stir the mixture continuously. This process helps break up lumps, creating a darker, denser, and more chemically reactive substance, especially recommended for wood treatment and preservation. It is highly effective against moisture and rain, especially against termites, forming a protective barrier against future infestations and enhancing the wood's durability. It also acts as a waterproofing agent, forming a barrier that prevents moisture penetration, significantly reducing the spread of fungi and mold over time. These two ideas demonstrate the enormous potential for reusing waste materials that are often improperly disposed of. Pouring used motor oil down the ground or into drains causes serious environmental pollution and poses a risk to human health and biodiversity. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's your chance. Click the subscribe button and join our community for more valuable tips, news, and exclusive content. Leave your questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.